Oh, great Mingo. Do you have any other option?
Ano raw? Ano sabi?
Wait lang sis.
Ma'am, sorry, I don't speak any language.
I'm sorry, what?
Habang tumatagal, ang foreigner ay halatang naiinip na dahil hindi sila magkaintindihan ng tendera. Napansin naman ito ng isang bumibili, agad na lumapit at ito ay nagtanong.
What seems to be the problem here, ma'am?
Oh, I'm not asking you to any other option, but it seems like she doesn't understand what I'm saying.